Scheme Som's Charity opens up about her home-wrecking role. Playing a side chick on Scheme Som has seen actress Mac Mogi's character top the trends list on Twitter. However, while she anticipated hate, she has mostly sparked debates around being an extra portion. Mac explained that her job is to bring her character Charity to life no matter how villainous she may be. That is why she wasn't bothered by her homewrecker storyline. I have been called names I would rather not repeat, but I don't necessarily get only hate, I also get debates. If I am recognized at a place, then people ask things like how it feels to wreck a home, but others celebrate Charity. I found out at some event in Limpopo that they made Charity the face of side chicks. The actress' current storyline sees Charity fall in love with an older married man, John Mapitla, played by Africa Tsawai. From the moment she stepped into the homes of South Africans, Mac's storyline has addressed many societal issues including domestic abuse and human rights. I have also realized the need for society to have these debates about infidelity. Because almost immediately the blame mostly fell on Charity, and that shouldn't be the case. It is John who is breaking his marriage vows after all, she said. Mac explained that she would never condone home wreckers, but that every woman's story is different. She said she took pride in telling the story of an ambitious woman who was raised by another single woman. She said she admired Charity's strength and hoped that the scriptwriters never make her weak.